Hello there, I'm Kenobi and welcome to the Firebot version 5 tutorial mini-series. This is a 15 plus part series so you can find the information you require fast. Let's go. This tab is going to be on your roles. You have your default custom roles to give permissions, and you have your custom roles. So the idea of roles is, say on your mixer board or commands, you've got certain people can do certain things. So say moderators, you only want moderators deleting or banning someone. You would give the moderators a moderator role so they can only do that. Or in the commands, if you only want your subscribers doing, say, a video on the screen and only they can access that command, then you give them a role for that. Or you can give them certain roles, say like a Stormtrooper, Rebel, and Jedi is my example. So say on my max playboard, I had one side for Jedi and one side for the dark side, Rebel, and all that kind of stuff. So you could create a role for just specific ones. So let's say we'll do a tutorial only section for people that only do tutorials. Let's say you can save that straight away, or you can instantly add a viewer. So let's add someone that does tutorials. Fielder's choice. There you go. Fielder's choice. Add him. So now Fielder's choice can access a tutorial section that may have some resources for making tutorials. Not that you would need any. And that's it. So you get the idea. You know, if you want some kind of rivalry, like I've got Jedis, I've got my rebels that I haven't quite reached Jedi status. Maybe they have to do certain amount of things in the chat before they can become a Jedi. So they're just basically rebels or potatoes. So you give them Stormtrooper status. So yeah, you can have a lot of fun with that and give them access to whatever you want to. Now to give them access again, you go to commands, say the seagulls, you got that. If you edit this, go to restrictions, select one, and then you go down to permissions, add, and go to here. You'll see that all the ones you've just created, so tutorial section only, is now in this section. So it's not just the default ones. All the ones you make will go in here and you can set them straight away. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.